Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Welcome to my channel. In today's project, I'm using this A2 size card stock, and then I'm using this embossing folder, and I have already embossed it. I'll be using that paper for the project, and along with that I'm using this die cut that is like 1.5 inch, and the I'm using the inner part of the paper about 1.25 inch. So I am going to put all together. So I'm sticking the embossed paper on the cardstock. So I had this pattern paper in my stash, so I'm using it in this project. They are like about 1.25 inch in size, and I'm going to stick each one of those in those squares. I'm trying to put like a simple card, so if you want me to change and put something different, please let me know in the comments below. Now all the 4 pieces are ready, and then now I'm using this thank you die, and I'm going to stick on the cardstock, white cardstock. Now I'm going to place it first and then see how I can keep it. Then I'm going to use double-sided foam tape and stick all of them on the base card. sticking the thank you sentiment also in the center of the card. So as the finishing touch, I'm putting the gems on the card. So this finishes my card. If you like it, please subscribe, share, like, and leave your comments below. That will help a lot. I will see you in my next video with a new project. You can see the close-up pictures of this card in the end of the video. So I will see you again. Thanks a lot. Bye.